Would you like to know how much YouTube paid me as my first paycheck? I was over the moon when I got the first YouTube paycheck. The feeling was just so amazing.
Yeah, boy!
As it was a proof that all my hard work was beginning to pay off and this whole journey was worth it. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I got monetized on YouTube, plus the process I used and how long it took me to get there, plus the steps you can take also to make money from YouTube. So let's backtrack a little. I started my YouTube channel in February 2018, but got serious with it and started posting videos in February 2020, just before the pandemic. You might not be able to see some of those videos I posted when I started because they are currently unlisted. So I've always enjoyed filming and editing videos. Not just that, I also love sharing helpful information with others around me. So I thought, why not start a YouTube channel? And little did I know that this decision could turn into a source of income right here in Nigeria that will earn me some good income. When I started, I wasn't really sure about the niche or topics to focus on. I just knew I wanted to help my audience with anything that they needed help with. So I made videos on travel, history, politics, and several other types of videos. If you scroll down to some of the earlier videos on this channel, you will see what I'm talking about. But as months went by, I figured that since I'm a software engineer who also enjoys learning and talking about finance, making my videos all about tech and finance wouldn't be a bad idea. So I decided to just focus on that. You see, the most important thing for you, if you're interested in YouTube, is just to start and then you figure it out along the way. If I had waited until I had the particular niche to focus on, you wouldn't be watching this video of how I made my first paycheck from YouTube. If YouTube is something you really want to do, don't wait. Just start. Because if you keep waiting, you will keep procrastinating and you may never take that very first step. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time, take this as a cue to just start. The perfect time is now, so just go for it. Take that first step. So let's talk about the steps I took to get my first payment on YouTube. Firstly, I ensured that I consistently uploaded high quality content that resonated with my audience while also focusing on building a loyal subscriber base, which is crucial for achieving monetization goals. Because I wanted to stay consistent when I first started, I made sure I filmed anything I found interesting, which I also thought my audience would find interesting. There was this time I attended an event where Aisha Buhari, the then First Lady of Nigeria, was also present. I immediately brought out my camera and filmed her convoy and posted it on my channel. That video currently has over 80,000 views on my channel today. Also, there was a video I made where I talked about the real cause of General Sani Abacha's death. Shortly after I uploaded that video, it blew up within a couple of months. As of the time of recording this video, that video currently has 173,000 views. This was one of the main videos that helped me to reach the YouTube Partner Program milestone requirement. You see something about YouTube? YouTube is all about showing up and being consistent. Just keep uploading. One day you'll be lucky and a particular video you uploaded will just blow up and boom, money everywhere.
Yeah, boy.
I kept doing that until one Monday, the 16th of May 2022, I was just chilling when I got the email from YouTube letting me know that I had met their requirements and I could start making money off my YouTube channel. Meeting the YouTube Partner Program requirements meant that I have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which translates to about 240,000 minutes within the first 12 months. Then I moved to the next step, which was where I needed to request for my verification PIN to be sent to my address. Requesting for my PIN was where things got a bit rocky and almost made me to give up on my YouTube journey. You may be wondering what was the challenge. Now let me explain. YouTube sends a PIN verification code to YouTube creators as part of its verification process for monetization and certain account features. The purpose of this PIN is to confirm the physical address of the creator and ensure that they have provided accurate information. But the issue with this in Nigeria is that among other issues, we have a poor address system and our postal service is mostly unreliable. I requested for my PIN in May 2022 and didn't get it. In fact, I thought I would never get it. I added my address for the PIN to be sent to it about 7 times but didn't get it. I was getting frustrated because after asking for the PIN to be sent, I needed to wait for about 4 weeks before I could request again. And there is this thing where if you are not able to verify your address in about 4 months after being accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, your channel will stop making money. Something like it's going to be demonetized. So it got to about 4 months and I hadn't gotten my PIN. So yeah, my channel was demonetized, which means that YouTube stopped showing ads on my channel. I watched other YouTube videos from creators in Nigeria talking about this and realized that most of them were having similar issues due to the poor addressing system in the country. But guess what? I did not give up. In December 2022, I decided to try again. This time, I sent a message to the Google support team laying my complaint. This time, they responded by asking me to submit a government-issued ID. I submitted it and still didn't get my PIN. I waited and waited until I got tired of waiting and just forgot about it again. In about 4 weeks, I decided to check my account so I could request for the PIN again, and I discovered that it was no longer needed because my account had been verified. It was a challenging milestone, but with dedication and perseverance, I'm so happy that I was able to scale through it. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, I received my first paycheck. It was a surreal experience when I received that notification in my AdSense account informing me that I had earned my first income as a YouTuber. I think it was in February 2023 that I received my first YouTube paycheck of $157. Yeah, I know it sounds small, but for me, it was more than the amount. Seeing the fruits of my hard work after about 2 years of work was truly rewarding. Seeing that first payment was a significant milestone and a testament to the potential of YouTube as a platform for content creators here in Nigeria. I would also like to talk about different ways you can monetize your channel as a YouTuber in Nigeria. One of the most common ways to earn money is through Google AdSense, and you might know about that already. This allows ads to be displayed on the videos and the content creator receives a portion of revenue generated from those ads. For YouTube to share the ad revenue with you, you need to reach the YouTube Partner Program requirement. To reach the requirement, you need to follow all the YouTube monetization policies. You must reside in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is supported. It's not supported in all countries. Also, as I mentioned earlier, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and more than 4,000 valid public watch hours within the last 12 months. Finally, you must have a linked Google AdSense account. Once you are eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, apply for it inside your YouTube studio and wait for YouTube to review your channel. So YouTube Studio is not like where you film your channel or anything. In case you're not familiar with that, YouTube Studio is the application for content creators on the platform. Once you are in the YouTube Partner Program, you can link your AdSense account to YouTube within the YouTube Studio. If you don't currently have an AdSense account, you can sign up for one at this stage within YouTube. Finally, go through the password and authentication process and select a Google account to connect AdSense to. Once you've followed all these steps, you can place ads in your YouTube videos and start earning money right away. Reaching the watch hours is the most difficult part of this process, but it's doable. There are apps which you can use to track your watch hours. Make use of apps like YouTube Studio, YouTube Tracker to track your watch hours and other YouTube activities. Again, it's important you understand that payment comes by the number of watch hours and subscribers, not by the number of subscribers only. Meaning, if you have 5,000 subscribers and less than 4,000 watch hours, you won't be eligible for payment. So the takeaway here is focus on creating videos that will keep viewers glued to the screen until the end and also keep them coming back for more. You can receive your YouTube earnings through several means. In my case, I linked my domiciliary account to my AdSense to receive my payments through a bank transfer. The AdSense payment cycle is monthly and payments are issued between the 21st and 26th of every month. Please note that the amount of your paycheck will vary based on factors such as video views, ad engagement, and overall channel performance. Additionally, there are other avenues for monetization such as brand collaborations and sponsored videos. As your channel grows and your influence increases, you may receive offers from brands interested in partnering with you to promote their products or services on your channel. Reflecting on this journey, I've learned some valuable lessons along the way. Firstly, consistency and perseverance are key. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, but the reward can be tremendous if you are patient and don't give up early. Secondly, understanding your audience and creating content that adds value to their lives is very important. You have to care about your viewers. What problems are you solving for them, or how are you entertaining them? The more you connect with your viewers, the more they will support your channel. Lastly, diversifying your income streams. While AdSense revenue is a significant part of monetization, exploring other opportunities like brand collaborations and merchandise can provide additional sources of income for your channel. And that wraps up my story of how I got my first paycheck on YouTube here in Nigeria. It has been an incredible journey and I'm grateful for every single one of you who has supported me along the way. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech and finance content. If you also have any questions about how you can get started on YouTube, drop them in the comment section below and I will answer them or create a video where I walk you through it. I am excited to continue sharing my experiences and knowledge with all of you. Thank you again for being a part of my journey and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.